This is a SnapEd New York video presentation.
Hi, my name is Faith, and I'm a SnapEd educator with Niagara County. And today I'm going to show you how to make grilled veggie packets. This recipe offers you a fun and easy way to vary your veggies. Small changes can make a big difference, and adding this vegetable side to any meal can help you be healthier now and in the future. Regularly eating a variety of vegetables from our 5 vegetable subgroups helps our body get a large variety of vitamins, minerals, and fiber that it needs to be healthy. Alrighty folks, let's dive into this recipe and get grilling. This recipe calls for 2 small zucchini, 2 yellow squash, 4 small red potatoes, 1/2 of a red onion, and 1/2 of a bell pepper. I'll be using a green bell pepper today because it was on sale. To season the vegetables, you will need 1/4 of a cup of Italian salad dressing and salt and pepper to taste if you wish. The utensils you will need for this recipe are a cutting board, a sharp knife, a large bowl, and a large spoon. We can keep our bodies healthy not only by eating healthy, but also by keeping our food and prep area clean. Start by washing your hands for at least 20 seconds with warm water and soap. Rinse all of your produce under cool running water, rubbing gently or using a brush to get rid of visible dirt. You also want to make sure that your utensils, cutting boards, and countertops are clean as well before you start food preparation. I'm going to preheat my grill to 350 degrees. If you don't have a grill, don't sweat it. You can make this recipe in your oven. Just heat your oven to 400 degrees instead. I'm going to chop all of my vegetables to be about 1-inch cubes. This is to ensure that all of my vegetables cook evenly. I'm going to start with my onions. Using onion in your recipes is a great way to add flavor to dishes without needing extra salt. To boost the fiber content of my recipe, I'm going to leave on the skins of my potatoes. Remember, if you already have other potatoes on hand, use those instead of the red potatoes. When purchasing your summer squash, try to look for smaller summer squash, which are going to be about 6 to 8 inches long. These smaller summer squash have the best flavor and texture. Both of these veggies are a variety of summer squash and are high in vitamin C, which is great for immune health. Did you know that these green bell peppers contain more than twice as much vitamin C as an orange? For a sweeter taste in your recipe and for more vitamin A, you can use a red or an orange bell pepper. I am going to toss all my veggies in a large bowl and coat them with my 1/4 of a cup of Italian dressing, salt and pepper to taste. You could use any oil-based dressing that you already have on hand, or you could try making your own vinaigrette with your favorite oil and vinegar. Limiting salt, saturated fat, and added sugar in our recipes can help reduce our risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease. With your veggies evenly coated, tear 4 large squares of aluminum foil. Place half of your vegetable mixture on one sheet of foil, then cover that with another sheet of foil and fold the edges together to make a packet. Repeat this process with the other half of your veggies. These packets will bake for 20 to 30 minutes, or until the potatoes are tender. If you are using an oven, I would recommend putting these packets on a baking sheet to catch any of the juices that might escape. You'll need to open the packets to check if the potatoes are tender. Be careful here when you open your packets not to get burned by the steam that builds up inside of them. You can either try to open the packets with tongs or poke holes in the top to let some of the steam escape before opening them up. Once the potatoes are tender, remove the packets from the heat and empty your vegetables onto a serving plate. These veggies can also be served straight from the foil packets. This recipe makes 5 servings of grilled veggies, and it only cost me $8.12. Remember that you can save time, save money, and eat healthy when you use ingredients that you already have on hand or buy ingredients that are on sale. This recipe is so versatile, you could use pretty much any vegetable that you like in it. Maybe you could try it with some other summer veggies like eggplant or tomatoes. I like to have these veggies with some grilled chicken and some brown rice. The leftovers that you have can be added to future lunches or future dinners, and you could even try putting these in some scrambled eggs for a hearty breakfast. All I know is I'm really excited for you to try this recipe because it's a great way to vary your veggies and to give your body the variety of nutrients that it needs. Thanks so much for watching today. However you decide to enjoy your grilled veggie packets, I hope you enjoy it. To find more recipes like this, or to join us for future free nutrition workshops, visit us at snapedny.org. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Remember that small changes make a big difference. So how can you vary your veggies today?
Thank you for joining us today. We know the healthy choice isn't always the easiest choice, but small changes can make a big difference. Start today by getting involved with SNAP-Ed New York. This program is free for those who qualify or receive SNAP benefits. We want to help you save time, save money, and eat healthy. Learn how SNAP-Ed can make a difference in your life. For more information and to find your local program, visit snapedny.org. This material is funded by USDA's Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. SNAP. This institution is an equal opportunity provider.